1971, Paul McCartney would release his second solo album, Ram. Recorded in Scotland, a couple other studio musicians, great compositions of songs that he had written with his wife Linda. Last song, side B, was this, The Backseat of My Car. Enjoy.